Extraordinary times call for extraordinary measures. The COVID-19 pandemic has altered the way we live. Masks, lockdowns, social distancing, team meetings on video calls. Questions are plenty. Is this the new normal? How will businesses continue? When will we go back to our lives before COVID-19 hit? But when the going gets tough, the tough get going. At Tech Mahindra, we revel in our culture of empowering all to rise. Our TECHMIGHTIES across the globe got proactive to restore a safer and healthier workplace. Our next of people practices were the first in the industry to act with travel advisory, quarantine protocols, additional leave entitlement for COVID-positive patients, social distancing norms. Our inclusive system goes above and beyond all limits to ensure maximum care for employees. We created rapid action and 24/7 emergency response teams, live microsite to prioritize wellness of employees, repatriation of over 700 TECHMIGHTIES and their dependents to their motherland, accessible workstations at home, each one house one, an initiative where associates welcomed other TECHMIGHTIES living alone to their home on a temporary basis. COVID-19 testing of around 20,000 stakeholders. We activated mHealthy, our holistic solution for COVID-19 risk management. Finger prick-based blood test, including precise COVID-19 antibody test. Plugins for Arogya Setu app. Curfew passes for Delhi Police. Rollout of ASHVIN, a doctor consultation app as per ICMR guidelines. Backed by the power of technology, we always rise. With the promise to keep you healthy and fit, we are committed towards a safer tomorrow. To be the next of everything, we are a company with a purpose. We are Tech Mahindra.